Good afternoon, students. Today, I would like to explain the numerical on flexible bush pin type of coupling. So, let us start. Numerical is it is required to design a bush pin type flexible coupling to connect the output shaft of an electric motor to the shaft of centrifugal pump. The motor delivers 20 kilowatt power at 720 rpm. The starting torque of the motor can be assumed to be 150% of the rated torque. Design the coupling and specify the dimensions of its components. So let us start solving this numerical. Given power is given 20 kilowatt, that is equal to 20 into 10 raised to 3 watt. N speed is given 720 rpm. We know that standard relation is for starting torque or design torque is nothing but it is given as 150% assume, means it is in terms of or multiply by rated torque, means rated torque here it is nothing but 60 into 10 raised to 3 p upon 2 pi n, that is p equal to 2 pi n mt upon 60 into 10 raised to 3, means by using this rated torque or p equation, by putting this starting torque equation, mt starting torque equal to p into 60 into 10 raised to 3 upon 2 pi n is nothing but rated torque into 1.5, that is it is given that assume 150% of the rated torque. Then first step is selection of materials. For shaft, select material torsional shear stress, assume plain carbon steel 40C8. Yield strength for shaft is for 40C8 is 380 Newton per mm square. Assume factor of safety as 2. Then next, for keys and pins, select material for keys as shear and compressive stresses. We have to also consider stresses for keys, pins, shear and bending stresses. So select material for keys and pins as plain carbon steel 30C8. Yield strength for that is equal to 400 Newton per mm square. So for keys and pins, assume factor of safety is equal to 2. Assume SYC equal to 150 upon 100 into SYT. Flanges, for flanges use material as grey cast iron of grade FG 200. FG 200 means ultimate tensile strength equal to 200 Newton per mm square. So assume SSU is equal to 0.5 times SUT, that is SSU means what? Ultimate shear strength equal to 1/2 of SUT is nothing but ultimate tensile strength. Assume factor of safety Fs equal to 6. Step 2, permissible stresses. For shaft, find tau is equal to SSY upon Fx, that is equal to SSY is 0.5 SYT upon Fs, that is equal to 0.5 into SYT for shaft is 380 upon 2. So find tau equal to 95 Newton per mm square. For keys, find shear stress tau equal to SSY upon Fs, that is equal to 0.5 SYT upon Fs. Then you get answer for tau shear stress for key is 100 Newton per mm square. Then next, sigma c SYC upon Fs, that is equal to 1.5 SYT upon Fs. SYT here it is 400. So we can get answer for sigma c is 300 Newton per mm square. Next, for pins, shear stress tau is equal to 35 Newton per mm square as per IS 26931980. Sigma t equal to, we know that SYT upon Fs, that equal to 400 by 2. Sigma t for pins is 200 Newton per mm square, that is bending stress also. Next, for flanges, tau shear stress equal to SSU upon Fs, that is equal to 0.5 SUT upon Fs, that is equal to 0.5 into 200 upon 6. Next, then calculate tau as 16.67 Newton per mm square that we have calculated. Step 3, diameter of shaft. How to find diameter of shaft? We know that torque T equal to mt equal to 60 into 10 raised to 3 into p upon 2 pi n into 1.5. So calculate the equation for mt. So finally we get mt answer 397.887 into 10 raised to 3 Newton mm. Also we have shear stress tau for shaft is equal to 16 mt upon pi d cube. Put the value of tau 95 mt and find value of diameter of shaft d equal to 27.73 mm, that is approximate value of diameter of shaft 30 mm. Next important parameter while designing is dimensions of flanges. We know that dh equal to 2 times d, that is 60 mm, lh 1.5 d 45 mm, capital D 4 d 120 mm, small t 0.5 d 15 mm, t1 0.25 d, it is 7.5 or approximately 8 mm. Next important parameter to design is the hub is treated as a hollow cylinder subjected to torsional moment. We know that polar moment of inertia is equal to J equal to pi by 32 ds raised to 4 minus d raised to 4. We get J is equal to 1192.823 into 10 raised to 3 mm raised to 4, and radius r equal to diameter of hub by 2, it is 30 mm. The torsional shear stress in the hub is given by torsional equation tau equal to mtr by J, and finally we get the answer for torsional shear stress for hub equal to 10.01 Newton per mm square, and it is less than 16.67, that is permissible shear stress, means our design is safe. Next important parameter while designing is the shear stress in the flange at the junction of the hub is determined by mt equal to 1 half pi ds square t into tau, means we have tau equal to 2 mt upon pi ds square t. Put value of mt, dh and t. Find permissible shear stress for flange. Here for shear stress for flange here it is 4.69, and it is less than permissible shear stress, that is 16.67, means our design is safe. Next step, diameter of pins. Here assume number of pins equal to 6. We have the equation d1 equal to 0.5 d upon under root n, means d1 equal to 0.5 into diameter of shaft is 30 upon n is 6, means finally we get d1 diameter of pins as 7 mm. Then calculate the permissible shear stress. The shear stress in the pin is calculated by tau equal to 8 mt upon pi d1 square capital D into n, means shear stress in pin equal to 8 into 397.887 into 10 raised to 3 upon pi. Put value of d1, d, capital D and n. Finally we get shear stress in pin tau pin equal to 28.72 Newton per mm square, and permissible shear stress is 35, means our design is safe because shear stress in pin, that is actually is less than permissible, means our design is safe. Next, dimension of bushes. Assume PM, pressure PM equal to 1 and ratio LB upon dB equal to 1. We have equation mt equal to 1 half dB square d into n, dB square equal to 2 mt upon dn, means here just find value of dB, that is diameter of bush, that is equal to 33.25, and approximate value is 35 mm, and we know that the ratio LB upon dB is equal to 1, that's why here dB and LB values are same, that is 35 mm. Bending stresses in pins. We know that the force P acting on each pin depends upon the torque, and the relationship is given by mt equal to P into d by 2 upon n, and find P, that is equal to 1105.24 Newton. Next, the sub-assembly of the bush and the pin is shown in the figure. The figure shown the assembly of bush and pin, driving flange, driven flange, then diameter of bolt, bushes, pins. here pressure P is acting, D1 is nothing but diameter, and LB is nothing but length of bush. So here it is assumed that the force P is uniformly distributed over 35 mm of effective length of bush. Here force P is uniformly distributed over length of bush 35 mm. At section XX, to consider here section XX, MB equal to P into 5 plus 35 by 2, that is this 5 distance plus 35 total length divided by 2, MB equal to 24.867 into 10 raised to 3 Newton mm. But we have sigma B equal to 32 MB upon pi d1 cube, that is d1. Finally we get d1 answer as 10.82, means approximate value is 12 mm. Next step is dimensions of keys. You know that assume flat key. For flat key L equal to LH equal to 45 mm, B equal to D by 4 means 7.5 mm means approximate value is 8 mm. Next H D by 6 is H equal to 5 mm. Check the shear stresses in the key. We know that shear stress for key is 2 MT upon dPL. Here we get actual shear stress 73.68 and our permissible shear stress is 100, means our design is safe. Check the compressive stresses in the key. Sigma C equal to 4 MT upon DHL. Then we get actual compressive stress. Here it is 235.78. On permissible shear stress is 300 Newton per mm square, means our design is safe. So this is nothing but the numerical on flexible bush pin type coupling from unit number 2. Thank you students.